Botani ma-Afrika mahle, botani bantu bomquba, igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaMampinga, umbhalo kaqosho into omntwana ingabi nokuwayefuna bantwana ifuna badala. Guys, ndiphethe omnye but understand why enabo kid abanini. Angazi nokuthi uNavy, ingane ka Navy. We understand but ke nawe yena uzositshela ukuthi why engu Navy kid. Ingane ka Navy. Angikhona nami ukutranslator but ke we are here. Thank you so much guys for ukuthi support all the time, ni share, ni like, and when uzazi ukuthi awuka subscribe live right now, do so. And namhlanje I want you to binge with this person in case if there were things that you wanted to ask about him. This is an opportunity, right? And then if mhlambe we didn't cover everything, kuma comment section uzobe ekhona, uzophendula if maybe we didn't cover everything. But
Unjani my sister?
Ngiyaphila wena unjani?
Nami ngikhona.
Welcome. You know ngilokho ngiyakubona laphayana, we sharing each other's things and everything, and today I'm here with you.
Ngazajabula intro enhle kanje. Uyintombi ezaziyo. Ngazi lapho ngene studio nawe. Wena ube artist.
Fanele ngiyithuthe phela uyabona nje into enjalo.
Hayi mele I must work on my intro show.
I don't even know how it came about, but we're here. Thank you so much, man. Ngiyabonga. I know you are a busy person. And ngiyazi ukuthi usemsebenzini even namanje ubusy.
Yeah, the hustle yo. Sibamba ngapha nangapha.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming through. I would love you to introduce yourself the best way you know how to our people who are watching.
Sanibonani. Hello. Unfortunately, ngazi lokho okubili. Nijani, my name is Nevi Kid, the kid, whatever you call it, just make sure you spell it right. Intro yami leyo, ngoba lo kid lo vela abantu lokube ubuzani, ngibawubhala nangendlela ehlukile. That's why ngithi ungawubiza noma kanjani, just make sure you spell it right masubhala phansi.
Because ngeke usamthola ku Google uma uzoyibhala wrong.
Exactly. Awayithola. Yes. So Nevi Kid is an artist, a producer, audio engineer. When I say producer, mostly production yami leyo inga kwiside in le radio. Like I've done umsebenzi o radio, not beat making and all of that.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I've worked in my radio doing jingles, voiceovers, engineering stuff, the technical stuff. And then bese ngiba audio engineer as a studio, mixing, mastering songs, doing this on my podcast. Yabo. Nje ngidila ngesound nje. Cleaning ngesound ukuthi mayifike emadlebeni abantu, ifike kuyinto elalelekayo, consumable yabo.
Okay.
Engalimaza amadlebe abo.
Okay.
Yabo.
Noma singasawundi kamnandi uyayilungisa nje ukuthi isawunde kamnandi.
Phesha lapho korobhe. Khona phela ungalungiseki yabo, I'm not a magician, but yeah, I do try. Yeah, sengisebenzile nabantu abaningi. Yeah, sizongena vele ukho lokho mase the most khuluma. Yeah, Never Kid, I'm from KZN, KwaNongoma. Yeah, small town KwaNongoma. Yeah, Nongoma.
Nongoms.
Ehlala Nkosi. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I studied there, grew up there, and then after high school, I shifted to Egoli, and then I studied music in Soul Candy Postal Media House, the same thing. Yeah, and then after that, I went out and did my own thing, my home studio. Yeah, even now I'm still pushing.
I see your work, man. Wafuthi masekuthwa you're doing the mastering, uzothi hayi izoshaya yena mastering, but songena lapho. But before you were never kid. You were unaligama lesizulu. Siyacela.
Wandile ufana kaGumede, ngizalo uMakhumalo. Na intombi kaKhumalo lapha. Ngiyibekela engaleni yami ukuze beseduze nenhliziyo yami, and to make sure ukuthi the face, I never forget the face ngoba kasekho. Yeah. So that's the reason ngambeka la.
That's beautiful.
So ngiwandile. So when I started this music thing, angenali igama. Kwathiwa so ingoma yakho bhuti soyibhala ukuthini? Then my friend was like, okay, Wandi boy.
Okay.
Because emakhaya vele they call me Wandi.
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 Yes.
So I was Wandi boy for some time, and then I was like, nah, I'm growing now. This Wandi boy thing.
Yeah, and say your boy, man.
Yeah, I changed.
Yeah.
I called myself Navy. It was just Navy.
Okay.
Back then I was just rapping only. not even making melodic stuff, just in raw underground rap. So I was rapping, calling myself Navy. But the thing with the name Navy, that's why I even added
You're not
the
even
kid
dark
kid.
skinned because bengizixolela ngithi I maybe got to navy because umnyama.
No. So I go Navy. My skill is growing now.
Yeah.
Facing some challenges in life. Feel like Kula Kwami, it has made me a soldier.
Okay.
Yabo, I'm a soldier.
I suspected with the navy on underground pants commands.
Exactly.
Love it.
So now never is soldier. When you search Navy online, kuvela wona lama soldier underground because I'm still pushing.
Yeah.
So as the skill is cooler, now I'm no longer just an artist. I started being a producer, right? So I don't know. I wanted to have this thing of me, myself, and I, but it mean so So as an artist, I was calling myself Navy. As an engineer, I was like kid. So back then, I was still making even beats. So as a producer, I was like, it's gonna be written, produced by Kid, and then as an artist, Navy.
Okay.
So till I even made match, my match was selling in my hometown, or even became famous for that. So and then I decided to it's time to upload music now. I'm called Digital Store.
Yes.
Everything I upload lapha. Velo never bangala. Goddamn, Navy Kid. Yo, still never kid bangala. I was like, Navy Kid.
Yeah.
Boom, only me.
Oh, no, it makes sense.
Yeah. So even now, if you search Navy, it's gonna show you a whole lot bunch of stuff.
people.
Navy Kid. So Navy Kid.
Yeah.
But if you say Navy Kid, usasebenze kakhulu imina kuvela mina.
Yes. You know, in my head, I was like, mhlambe umkhulu wakhe waye kwi-army. So, yena yengane yesosha.
That's the kid. Ukujula nje yabo as artists they
Yes,
jula
I love
especially
it,
as
man.
rappers,
Yeah. So now ukhulele emakhaya.
Yeah, ngikhulele nje emakhaya all my life.
And how was it like umfana osemakhaya ngiyazi njalo isikhathi esiningi amaZulu othanda ukuthi ngelusa mina kaqhathwa mina, all those things. How was it like for you growing up kwaNongoma, being a boy child, and i-dynamic yasekhaya nikhula nihleli kanjani?
Ekhaya ngabe ngiqamba manga sikhule kamnandi, it's a warm home, warm family, khule khona umama khona ubaba bashadile sebenomuzi vele siba egcekeni sasisonke siba u5. I'm a twin nosisi wami entombazane, shout out to Wele lapho. Bese kuba ubhuti wami ubhuti omdala, yeah, nalo alamana naye siba u4 kahle ngane, bese kukhona nabazali osasiba u6, manje sasiba u5, yeah. Ngifuna ukusho njalo.
Yes.
So khulela emakhaya, as funny enough ngisakhula I was listening to Maskandi actually nje, ngiyibhinqa nje nami impilo inendlela yayo yokushintsha yazi, because back then I wasn't thinking ukuthi I could venture into this music stuff, and I was focusing on something else. Ngilalela uMaskandi nje ngingafunela ukuthi ehamba no skin jean.
Yes. Futhi nje vele nje kwaZulu nje back in the days umfana ufaka i-skinny jean.
It's high school sekuyimi no skin jean manje. Sekuyimi manje I'm rapping. Angisezwa lutho, I just want this music thing yabo to work. Funny enough, my mother was very supportive. Yeah, it's like she saw the vision, because even the match that I was talking about, she funded it. When I was going to competitions, she would drop me there, yabo. But she was a Christian. Yabo, expect her to I understand.
Yes, rap, come on, underground.
But for her, I guess it's the love she had for me. She didn't have to understand it. She was just supporting ingane yakhe, making sure ukuthi hayi lento ayibonayo hayi iphumelele, uyobona mase iphumelelile.
Love it.
Yeah. So yeah, it was bekumnandi shem.
And then now you had to move from KZN to Joburg. How was it like for you? Were you excited? You came this side when you were coming to study, right?
Yeah.
And how was it for you? Sorry.
kunzima umzima uqale lapho
Yeah.
kunzima because sengimuva la eJozi bese ngilibona kwesibili eJozi
Okay.
ngilokhu ngisemakhaya and then I came here for the first time kwi-matric dance
Okay.
isikole sethi uzubone sisemakhaya ukuze eGoli it's a trip
Yo.
going on an adventure.
Yes, trip ngathi America.
So came back to Joburg now. I was coming back for the hustle valley. So the struggle has been real, yabo. Because ngiqala ukumuva la eJozi. It was I think the 27 I think it was the second year nyaka wesibili uma engasekho my support system. So impilo ngaqala ngafesana nayo sengela eGoli. I did expect ukuthi vele ngeke kube lula yabo. But ezinye izinto ziba nzima kakhulu ngoba usuku ungayitsheli ukuthi kanti ngeke kube lula to that extent. Kanti ngeke
because impilo yasemakhaya it's very simple. Ayikho hectic, ayidingi into eziningi. Lana sesiphithiphithi.
Lana you facing issues zama-rent. Like I can't go to school, but I'm passionate about this thing, yabo. My fees are not paid. Nje ngigcine nge-registration. Luckily enough, I had friends. Shout out to Amachitami, they held me down. Ngaze ngaqeda isikele ngigitshezwa abafowethu. Be mangishoda something. Even now we still support each other like that. If I have it, they have it, it's like that. Yabo, even now we pulled up gang.
Hey, lalela. Ngisho ngithi ayibo nayo ki Navy.
The
whole army.
So it's always have been like that. Yabo, they supported me ngaze ngaqeda isikele. Because I was so very stressed at that time. I think nanokuthi ngize ngibe grand nje mentally and to accept izinto nempilo nje ukuthi sikanje ukuthi bakhona la as my friends, we laugh everything out, we chill, we make this music, ezinye izinto ugcina usuyi-accept. So I eventually told myself ukuthi izinto ngeke uyishintshe uma ungeke uyicontrol kumele uyi-accept and just let it be ungayifaki enhlizweni.
That's true.
Just be sad for that moment.
Because you have to, it's part of grieving. Maungayizileli into, it's going to haunt you later on. So exactly. I believe in that as well. So, and then, angikuzwa mention ubaba in a process of this whole thing of your growth. And loku mention uma.
Yeah, ubaba bekade la eGoli yena. Most of our lives bekade sebenzela nga this side, sebenza emayini. So umuntu ukhule kakhulu vele ne-old yabo. So yonke it sase at time abelifika yabo, but in time I is grand, even though back then a relationship yethu vele bingekho yinhle kahle. Yeah, but then goes back to my point le ukuthi na ezinye izinto mungeke uyishintshe. You must just accept.
I hear you.
So I ended up accepting every situation that I was going through, dealing with, accepting people for the way they are.
Accepting people right there. Accepting people the way they are, because you cannot change them. They can only change if they want to change.
That gave me a whole lot of peace and sanity for me to just keep moving forward and prosper. And now everybody, they see me. Even if they don't want to, they see me.
I love how you articulate your lines.
They still see me.
I love how you articulate your words. I really love it.
Guess it comes with right.
Right. And then now, ikosi yakho yenza for how long?
So it was 1 year. I did a short course, digital music product, composition and production. Yeah. Okay. So for me,
it's a private college.
Yeah, it's a private.
It's not
college.
Coming cheap.
Yo, I still owe the school, man. So I don't have my academics. So I don't have proof that I went there, but it's all in here. Yeah.
Are you planning to go fetch your?
Yeah. First thing when I make enough money for it.
Yeah.
That's the first thing I'm gonna do.
I love that.
Yeah. Because I worked hard for that. It was a tough year. Felt like 3 years because I was struggling.
And then now you making it through lo nyaka lo, obviously after school, because I think the first year that's what kept you busy. Yeah. Now now you have to face reality, which you need to find another way to survive.
Yeah. Yeah, usalapho and ngifunda because I didn't have a place, ne? So I was staying with one of my friends who DJ Caprican took me in abo. Ahlala naye still ngiqeda esikoleni. And then mangiqeda laphana there is BMS radio on the other side.
Okay.
Yabo, so every year I think they're always looking for audio engineers. Yabo. So I applied vele ama-poster aphuma kuthina kuqala la.
Okay.
Excuse. I applied, interview, task, everything, then boom, I got hired lapho. But then bengaholi yabo.
Ukuthini uqasha volunteer?
Yeah, ngasho njalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
But was it something that you nani agreele nabo ukuthi
yeah, very because
volunteer?
i-radio yasesikoleni.
Okay.
But yeah, PMS radio.
Okay.
So that's my first job as an auto engineer. Engayitsheli nanokuthi izinto ze-radio nje I wanna do that yabo angazi. The only thing engiyaziyo nje is to make adverts. Nje ama-adverts nje aseceleni. So I'm searching for this position, auto engineer. What do you do everything when you're an auto engineer? I did my research. Oh, jingles. What's a jingle? I don't even know that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I got hired vele. Angibuza ubafo wesifundisa wathena eclassini lenu bangaka abantu abathathiwe. It was only me. I was like, wow, that's good. Okay, ngaqala lapho ukuba nothando le radio, so I fell in love with the whole technical production thing.
Yes.
Yabo. Ngafunda, I taught myself how to make jingles, yonke leyo nto nje, radio imaging, zonke lezi zinto ze-radio. Ngathola leso skill ngokuvolunteer lapha ya. But then now sengiqedile esikoleni, so manje ngigibele njalo.
Yeah.
Ngiyosebenza lapha. Yabo.
Uzoyithatha imali ukugibela.
Exactly. So bekusebenze ungayi njalo, like through emails basend ama-script, everything, go through the script, there's ama-vocal, you just mix very in the studio endlini. But then every Monday there's a meeting at the HQ. So I have to make it to that meeting njalo.
Udlani?
Yokudla kabe sibona nje as amachita.
Hayi usesigangeni
I'm not even thinking about that. Ngithi qhamuke kugcineni. Siyadla amadlile. Yo indlala segoli ngiyazi.
Hayi buyisotsha lamampela.
But ngisundlile manje. Ngingawari. Ngisuthi. Sengiyadla manje. Ngibonge ngiyakhuluphala.
I love it. And then how long did you work there?
So laphana sebenzile ngiqala ngithi vele sengizoqeda kuloya nyanga and then the following year ngasebenza futhi. Okay, ngabona ukuthi yongidinga imali. So I started applying for a 9-to-5.
Okay.
Bheka 9-to-5. Boom, isithole isipane sentini futhi. Mr. Price ngaqala ukusebenza nje 9-to-5. CV yami lapho i4G ingamanga. You know your first CV, you need experience, so you make it up. Yeah, got my first job there. But now I can't balance this thing. I can't make it on Mondays there.
Yeah.
Unless by luck, me off. And then it's a Monday, and then I rush there. And then till I decided to, I didn't even quit. It's just something I ended up not showing up.
Yeah, because it acquires most of your time.
I remember they were doing an OB outside broadcast in Sentin. I'm there in the shelves. I'm klar. Nabo colleague bam.
Yeah.
Backbone. No, I was ducking there by the shelves. Vele futhi ngiyasho ukuthi vele asazani kakhulu yabo.
Yeah, futhi angengifide la ngithi sizothola something.
La from love ngithi damn. Nali iphupho lami liphuma lezi.
Nkosi yami.
That's how then I worked at Mr. Price and then COVID and then that pressure was just too much because I remember COVID, I went home and I decided to just start afresh.
I love that.
Because ngiyekaya ngahamba. You remember when they opened for 7 days?
Yes.
I was like, okay, let me just go home. I'm coming back.
Yeah.
And then when the country reopened, I was like, I incredible. I think kokumoya.
And angilale ngingadlile ekhaya ngina-stress rent.
Sengiyaqala nezinto singiphatha kabi mhlambe sengiya understand yonke into. I think I came back as a better person nje. Generally speaking, because I ended up staying there for like 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah, awukhokha
From 7 days to 3 years.
to 3 years umoya ngawukhokha ngaze ngawukhokhisisa shame.
And then now, what were you doing? Were you still trying to see this passion yakho?
Yeah, so everything yami beyila egoli at first, my studio, because I went back home with a backpack.
Of course, because you were
I
just
had
going
like
to take
2
7 days.
trousers there, couple of t-shirts, one jacket from Mr. Price. Yeah, ingithwalile kuma winter amaningi la jazz.
Yeah.
So ngoba ngila ekhaya ngisho anginayo impahla, anginalutho, and then umngane wami omuye mayehla into engathi angiphathele yona nje studio kuphela, like bring the monitors, the mic, iyona kuphela into ngokunye ngaqala phansi from scratch. And then when I was back home futhi ke ngaqala ngarecord abantu ke manje, recording abantu, doing yona production, mixing, mastering their songs bayakhokha, boom. And then I got another job futhi kune community radio lapha ngakithi Nongoma FM. I got hired as a technical producer ke khona. I was doing the prime shows. I was doing 12 to 6.
Okay.
So 12 to 3 and then 3 to 6.
Oh, okay. In the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Okay.
Those are the prime shows of radio.
Okay.
In the midday drive.
Okay.
So the patient radio yabo futhi yangilandela. Lapho ke ngayila understand yonke into from ukwenza outside broadcast, uqhuma umuntu engekho studio broadcasting late ekwini mina ngise studio. No, so it was more technical than just audio lapha. I was just doing jingles, adverts and then I started doing my voice over futhi khona lapha nje. It just became a whole package yabo. And then ke nakhona wahamba yazi ke it's a small radio ngidinga imali. Sengidinga nokubuyela eGoli.
Okay.
Like because angeke ngihlele ekhaya ngapha, my kid is growing this side. Senginemndeni nga.
Okay.
So
le 3 years sefe wenza ngani?
Ngiyenzela eGoli. Sengingane nga lokuhlupha in the midst yokuhlupheka lokho khona la ngathola khona ukufudumala ngaleso sikhathi. Yeah.
Fertilizer indlala.
Yeah, so I decided ukuthi sengikhokhile umoya manje sengithe
yes.
Kahle. Now it's time to go back, yabo.
And now you're gonna come back with a better mindset than the first one.
Yazi ke makhaya uyaphi ngabuhlelana plus vele usizo phela nakhona la ekhaya. So manje musuhamba uyalena wabona ukuthi lolu usizo lethu bese
lo uzogwinya igoli lo.
But now the more ngila, the more Navy Kid efa lokuphila nje wandile. Navy Kid is rust.
Okay.
Lapho is my hometown. People know me there. Yabo bayangazi. I made a name for myself there until I decided to just come back eGoli. When I came back kwaba nzima nje kancane because I went back to the same people engihlala nabo. Yabona nokuhlupheka okuningi okubuye sikhoze thina because asicabanga ukufana i-mindset injani luckily uNkulunkulu wangisusa kuleyo situation ngokuhlupheka futhi still ngoba ngafika ngathi ukushizila kancane ngangaba nendawo yokuhlala futhi. I found myself in Pretoria, ngihlala eRes umngane wami.
eRes? Bafuma kanjani eRes ukuthi bakahlale nomuntu?
Umngane wami eghost wayephethe lapha. Ngahlala nje like 3 weeks lapha. And then I came back. When I came back is when ngahlangana with the team that I'm working now. That's when ngihlangana ke no King V, Omplado, MTP. That's when le movement yethu ke iqala ke siba yi-team. Sukela beku 2022 or 2023 lapho till now. Impilo ke lokho yabangcono sukela lapho. Because I feel like umqondo wethu sengihlala nabantu abanomqondo ofanayo, we're pushing the same thing. Asibhayizisana asithi makuthi kufuneka imali yerent. Wena uhamba uyoyidla nentombi yakho.
Uthi awuna plan
sisishizila sonke yabo kuyakhiwa. So now we had the same mindset. Ngathola more growth futhi lapho ukuthi sisebenze sonke because we ended up sibe yi-team nje. Namanje team is strong.
Niya intimidator ngimthema ngingena
producer ama hits nabafowethu. Senginama plug involved yabo.
Talking about the plugs because I'm one of the plugs. But now I want you now to tell me ukuthi kule process yakho craft, what inspired you ukuthi uqhubeke nayo instead of maybe rapping more than doing the sounds and the what? And how was it like for you to work with those big people you worked with, your likes of Abo Olified Keta, Abo Big Zulu and all that?
Yeah, so make more color. I think for abantu abaningi kukanjalo vele, because I've heard this so many times ukuthi waqala kanjani ukuproduce le ndaba lena hlezi ngicenga abantu uma uye studio. Yabo ungasitholi studio, musu sitholile studio, you make your song, you feel like it's a hit. Ugcina ungayitholanga because awusekho studio. Or you go to the studio, producer akekho emudini.
So ubunokwenza ingoma the next day ma ufika kuthiwa icrashile.
At the time ngisaqala emakhaya umngane wami eyiwena namamutsi iyothi yafika akekho emudini
Okay.
Hayi lapho uhlala ngale kwaphesheya kumfula. Ngiwokhile ngizela nephepha lami lekhikhile ngizo rap ibhad afike i-out yami ibuka imovie. Iphele imovie uthi ayivela hayi makuphela imovie sesibhana. Avela afake uyibona i2 hours eyibona ukuthi akekho nje emudini anixoxa enqeni ungaxoxa izinje.
Kube awkward nje.
Awkward yelila abazwayinamamutsi nje yabo ayogcina ubona leto lena yazi mangazenzela. Qala kanjalo for abantu abaningi ukuthi hayi mufuna ukukhipha ngesikhathi ukuthi hayi let me just do this for myself.
Wakulaya ne?
Ngasiza kodwa bona.
Khona ukuthi wakulaya because namhlanje khona uzenzele
into. Ngathi ngiqeda nje isikole ngase ngazi ukuthi ngifuna ukwenzani. I wanted to do this, make it a career, sibone ukuthi hamba kanjani. Yeah. And mase the more usebenza, that's when you get to meet abantu. Ispan sakho sikufaka kubantu. Yeah, sikufaka kubantu. The more usebenza deliver into right, the more abantu aba right uzosebenza nabo. Because uwenza lo msebenzi omuhle for ukhetha mate yo isithombe samnandi kanje senziwe iphayi senziwa amajita lapha khona uKing V khona umplati. Hey benzile ba mix ba masterisha baphuma le product nje yo nami
ngiyafani lapho ngimuthandani his craft though ubona aphiwe awela ngoma leyana ngakhala because I related so much
it's too much
iphinde futhi bese over here
saqala ngaleyo ngoma kusebenza nayo
but mina ngimazi from ngiaphiwe. And then it took me back now ukuthi awuthi ngimbhelo umuntu man
keep a step further.
I was like lo muntu craft yakhe kahle kahle
sukela ku step further kuyale.
He's a storyteller.
Sekukhona ke thina in the pitch.
He's a storyteller.
Too much. Hey lapho aphiwe wawunamabhata ongafuni ukurecording.
Seriously.
The first time he came to the studio to record the song, unenkinga zama mic cable wasn't recording. I remember my friend was there umshololo thina sasingekho sisaphumile lokhethi hey khona ingoma mfethu ukhetha ade tuzoyirecorda mfethu la ha angazi khuluma ngane izoba hits because we ended up not recording that day. He went back yabo endlini because agcina ingalunganga lento. I think he came back a couple of days after or a week after, I'm not sure about the time frame, but wabuye. And then why I record the ngoma, I always tell people ukuthi it's a order from the start. Was why I one take, he killed it. First hook, verse, what verse.
Same day.
Hey.
Wow.
Umkazo qhamuke eseyikhathaye kahle ukuthi yabo i-chorus cause amelifana.
Of course.
And then I'll pick up like yo, that's why I put me imnandi kanje, yeah.
Oh, it's one of my faves, I don't want to lie. And then working with Big Zulu. Like kuye kwenzakaleni kuwena mase usebenza nalabantu abakhulu. Like how do you feel? Do you feel ukuthi as in what I'm doing? Or we enjoy ukutshelwa ngabanye abantu?
Yeah, bafethu yazimusu nabo e-studio nje. Ayiphilela nje akukho lokho kuyagconwana kube mnandi nje ubona ukuthi hawo kahle sonke sila. Yabo
that's where I wanted you to go.
Sihlala sibe sobabili in the same room ukuthi sonke sila. So ubhuti omdala ngakahlangani naye sasebenze like just like umnqobi yazi oyikwisithombe ngithi so ama vocals amixwa kuphi endlini so angazi ngibe naye studio so ngisebenze entweni yakhe ngokuthi yayenziwa yithi because I mastered isithombe uBig Zulu akaze ngenza umsebenzi wakhe personally into yakhe we recorded iverse lengoma basanda uyikhipha umlabalaba for ukhetha because yonke into enokhetha isikhathi esiningi isetshenziswa yithina and then we always work nabo Anzo work nabo Sasti, they always pull up from the Quellas, got a song together vele nje sebebaningi khona. Do
you feel that you've arrived? Do you feel you are creating a great profile for yourself? Do you know that? Not think. Do you know that?
Yeah, when I go and check my numbers there, that's when ngikhumbuzeke ukuthi makuthiwena most streamed mastering engineers 2025 10 million plus streams a generate lama artists esengithinta umsebenzi wawo like
it's beautiful, isn't it?
might be doing something, I'm contributing something. Yeah, it feels amazing.
Like I'm getting emotional. I think I'm getting emotional because now you telling the story of how you got here and then now we are here. Mashu Drake starting from the bottom, now we're here. Yeah.
Still,
I know.
Yeah, it's just part of progress. Yeah, at least now we're progressing. I can firmly say that.
Are you planning to remain Kuluku production, mastering and everything on my sounds, or you want to go back now and do your rap and all that, or you still doing it as well?
Juggling it both,
Okay.
I'm an artist on the side. I'm going to keep on January.
Okay.
And I'm releasing a single April 18. After that, there's a mixtape coming. I have a whole lot of music.
Okay.
So on the other side, I'm doing this as a career because I just love sound.
Okay.
Just want to grow up with sound, but still I'm also an artist. Okufika kuqala yabona mina ilingana ngenzeka kufike lokho ngenzeka kufike but okufika kuqala vele ngizoba happy still futhi okufika kuqala kuzodonsa lokho okunye.
If bengiphethe sibam manje ngithi khetha one for the rest of your life.
For the rest of my life. Ngicabanga ukuthi sengavele ngiye ngapha kwi production because hit drama esiningi ngayimculweni.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, inhliziyo ziyaphuka kade abantu bephuka inhliziyo, so I think it's just quiet, man. Wenza isipani sakho, you get paid for it, yadlula basala baxabana bodwa bebanga leyo product enhle osuyenzile wena yabo. Just yabo angazi noma ngisanayo leyo thick skin ukuthi sengathola umuntu mhlambe adlale ngami sengihlupheka kangaka.
I hear you. And then ama highlights wakho so far kwi industry yini? Ucaba like mangikhuluma ngayo manje and then ifike.
Yeah. Okay, thatha sambe siyolanda eBlack yesithombe lapha eOrchard. Si invite laphana masifika laphana there's everyone there. Hleli nama executives ubuwabona kuma interview kuma documentary aka hleli noba noma fika wonke umuntu nje uyadlula lo la wakuthi yadlula, so khamba click kancane shothi yabo ngoba akufiki nombala shothi umuntu yabo ya progress yabo ayibona into ayenzayo. Ambiza laphana qhu into yakhe si proud yini ngathi ingane encane nje sijabula
singene ku candy shop.
Shout out umngane wethu laphana Bora Face sasi happy nje, that's the moment I think for thina sonke nje ukuthi from kwanongoma sesila.
Yes.
Yawo khona abantu abangasiboni bethi benzani la begoli.
Yeah.
Asikho busy even if kuma home times kuma hometowns zethu yabo, but it's busy like goal yabo.
I like it.
They yabo bafana banongoma bane black.
Bane black. Izozikhethelwa ukuthi ayiphi black guys. Ukuthi uyi-black yokuthanda uxhumanisa nabantu or umina ukuthi bane trach. Uzokhetha yona ukuthi ayiphi le black akhuluma ngayo. But I see what you did there. And then now, if you were given a chance to collab with some people la eMzansi, who would you want to work with? And then abroad, who do you want to work with?
Sorry. La eMzansi. My favorite artist, Klezu, as a writer, everything, Reason. Yeah, I love Reason. Not even good to see on a song, just for to work on something, like maybe writing. I just want to understand because for me it was wow. Bangithanda yabo. Ngahlangana naye lapha so sathi plaque yakhetha for Orchard. Yeah, that's the only person I approached ngathi Grootman. Hayi kade ngalincane ipen lakho yabo.
Yeah.
Kade ngalincane ipen lakho. Yeah, obviously honesty, musical genius, I feel, yeah. Because the way he makes music, I feel so clear and so fika kanjani nalento emnandi kanje. Yeah. Or kanti angisazi yazi because manje angisekho so much invested kuleya scene yangale in terms of ukubinge music kwakhona. But bengulalela serious because nginewazi music kwabomdala.
Okay.
Yeah. So ngala ngazi maybe on the production side nje bo ngibe se Dreamville.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the only people you want to, okay.
Nabo cool. And of course everyone get your twimp.
Okay. But you believe that you will one day, right? Because your craft is amazing.
Yeah, sebonga.
Your craft is amazing, and I want to know, how did you meet Resonation?
No, Resonation is maze. Yeah, blood. Yeah, because Bonabazana from Durban, they were pushing together that side, and then they came to the studio. When they came to the studio, I knew one of the gents there, Tibo.
Okay.
Tibo is from Mtub. We went to the same high school, but okay. Yeah, ngifike ngasekho even.
Yeah.
Waye umngane nomunye umngane nami ngangimpusha at that time emakhaya. So ngike ngahlala naye vele ngala eMtuba, mangisemtuba nami bengimazi. And then bafika this one time e-studio, saphinde sahlangana siya kwi-show noSam ePhathaphatha, and then at that time thina besiyoshoot i-visualizer. Utibo they pulled through. Waqala uTibo wathi yazi khona ingoma yami ngifuna ukuyimixela.
I remember. It was last year, isn't it? Or is it early this but I remember that event Nabunu Sam. I remember that event. Ngayibona kuma post. Yeah, I think it was early last year.
Yeah, May.
Yeah, I think it was early last year. Yeah.
So hlangana lapho. And then when we met clear shoot yethu, uTibo bebekhona to support us. It was like, hey, khona ingoma ngifuna ukumixela yona yazi ngisithanda isandla sakho. Yeah, my uTibo shaya piano. Like, yo, bruh, I never worked on the piano yazi. But because I sound my vocals, maybe I can do something. Yabo isend small. Wayithumela ati the pressure yakhe. Ngale lapho kusebenza nabo ke mix ama stylish pressure wahlanya kakhulu kwalandela ezinye namanje kusakhona ezinye
namanje kusaphusha
abakusetshenzwa njalo nayizolo at the studio ngazo bahambe nini bese ngilele.
When do you get time to yourself?
Oh yeah, sengisithola manje isikhathi when ngi-9 to 5 yami.
Okay.
And I'm just on the road alone. That's when I get me time. Because when I wake up, I'm with the gang. Go to work, meet those people, yana, and then I go out, and then that's the only me time I get.
Okay.
When I knock off, I'm with the gang.
How?
Every time.
Umjolo ungena ni kanti ke yonke lento le. Because ufanele ufudumale ngikuzokhuluma ngimfudumalo ele. Ufudumala nini mfethu?
You make time phela for
yeah,
you must make time, yabo.
But now women
when
we
love
whining.
visits, yeah.
We do whine a lot. Mawungasiniki isikhathi. Awungiphi quality time.
Emini usemsebenzini, nasendlini usasemsebenzini. Yeah, working ngithi ngifuna ukunika soft life. Wathi afuna eDubai.
like that.
I'm trying to take you to Dubai.
I like it, man.
Yeah, so yona isikhathi cha ngifuna uqamba ngisiba sincane nabafowethu hleze ekhala omunye uthi usashaya ibeat useyafona mama la ufuna attention ufuna ukukhulunywa ama-hour wena uyafona uRiz ngapha ufuna iproject yakhe you must mix and finish this song yabo yawo nje
So it's hectic.
yawo isikhathi sivele for wena sebazincane ngize ngisho uma ngidlala namajida ngithi yabo indaba okuhlala nabani kumele uthi uvuka nje kuseni soyakhuluma njalo la
I hear you. And then if Uma Khumalo, if Begalani, what would we want to say to her?
Uthi ngiyabonga for being my number one fan, for supporting me always. And bengihlezi ngithi futhi I believe so kuba bowusakhona ngabe okay, I'm proud of myself ukuthi ngiphushile nami ngaze ngafika la, but I know ukuthi ngabe I'm even more phambili ngoba usakhona. So I appreciate the love, I appreciate everything asenzela yona nje as a family. Bamthanda ubaba, bathandana. I think uthando ngilibonile kubona, ngilifundile kubona. Nami ngumuntu oyikhetshelayo. I think ngoba ngikhuliswe vele ngothando la egcekeni nje. It was a warm family. Mama, shout out, she was a strong woman. Yeah.
And he's still gonna make you proud.
Yeah,
Watch it.
Watch it.
Watch it, ma. And then I want to know, are you open for bookings mhlambe for Recraft Arc, or if someone maybe they want to book you maybe for a staging or whatsoever that it can be, and where can we find you?
Most definitely. I'm open for bookings. Nje sengithole nethuba lokuthi ngiye ekhaya on the Easters because I'm booked ekhaya. Anongoma so yabo free ride.
Hamba ngolayi.
Yabo shaya inyoni embili ngitshela Lord ubuyile kanti no, I'm not back for you guys. It's work.
Yeah.
It's part of work.
I like it.
So yeah, I'm open for bookings, whether it's for perform as an artist or you just want features or my services. Yeah, I do render my services for an amount. You can follow me. It's Navy Kid yonke indawo. Yazi lokugama igama elilodwa abantu ovela abhala ukuthi Navy athi space athi Kid athi space.
Yeah, akuna space.
Nami ngizwile ngisho ukuthi Navy Kid.
I like how you said that. Akutanga Navy.
It's Navy Kid NAVYKID. Yonke indawo follow back nami asisebenze. Yeah. Angiduli futhi yabo.
So if someone wants to have a conversation with you, bazo DM or is there any number that you'd want to give out there?
Yeah, they can hit me on the DMs or Naishi number is 068-403-2278. Umsebenzi.
I see I'm a view once. Zwile.
068-403-2278. Yeah, come on Navy Kid.
Guys, on Navy Kid fanele hamba uland certificate sakhe. Please go make sure ukuthi uyahamba uyobheka umsebenzi wakhe. It's very important ukuthi ungatholi irife ngumuntu somebody else. Go watch, go be sure ukuthi lento ifunayo, because sometimes uye uzwe ngomunye umuntu masekafika la, it's not what you were looking for. This is not what I ordered. But if you went to check stream guys, ngicela si-fundraising azokhona ukuthi ahamba yolanda certificate sakhe, azokhona ukuthi makasibeke laphayana akunamuntu ozolokho emquestion into eziningi ukuthi are you sure this is for you, are you sure ngalento oyenzayo and everything. Certificate sakhe sizobe siyamkhulumela, isn't it?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Usengicelele Nkosi yami Sisuli.
I mean
akube njalo.
I mean it though. And now I want to ask you this. Kunengane laphayana ongathathi intweni. He loves what you're doing. He follows you. He sees you. But feeling ati iphupho lakhe angeke lize lifezeke. Ungathini again?
Hey, simple yabo bese qalile. Noma ungakaqali into ebalekile ukuthi uqale. Musuqalile sewuqalile vele ungasabuyeli emuva. Because into ebalekile la is just to be persistent. Upush. Passion. You must always be burning with passion. Because yabo nje mina manje mathiwa ngiyayeka, I'll just look back all these years ukuthi I was just pushing for nothing.
Yeah.
yabo kodwa futhi kuba ngiqalanga ngabe I'm that kid angisiyo never kid ngabe I'm that kid nje ethi yo nganesifiso sokucula yabo so into yokuqala balekile usuqale bese uqalile phela bese uyimisela
like that
because into ezokusiza umsebenzi wakho uyikhulumele yona yabo ungaluka yabo kusiza nathi sisaqala isixena abantu text abantu hey brazo ngicela ngiyabe kuphendule
and then others be like I don't want to be licking S's
base umsebenzi wakho uzokubeka lapha eduze nabo labo bantu labo enike uthi khona le ngoma sijaba thini ingane emeqeda ukuzala ngivele ibani gijime ubali ama steps empilo yonke into ihamba kanjalo so nje kanje ukuze ufike lapha phezulu uqala lapha
no shortcuts
no shortcuts nathi sisaphusha yabo nami angafiki la ngifuna ukuya khona but ngisendleleni eya khona because ngiyayimisela ngiyaphusha
into ongayithandi ngale industry
yo
just one mention one
the music business side yo ngiphulwa inhliziyo kakhulu it's like kunzima it's like kumele uaccept manje ukuthi vele bazokukrossa indlela edlula khona ngathi nje indlela kumele ubhayizise nawe
ufikise
yabo kodwa kunzima abantu masebekhala ngemali bekhala ukuthi bayavalelwa manje sekunjani wish nje ngafiki leso sigaba
what do you like
umnandi
I want what's in your mind siyazi uhleka saqethuke
cha ujubila izinto eziza nakho yabo abantu showing you love ufuna ukushutha nawe leyo mpilo ngiqale ngisase high school yabo
okay
ezinye izinto uyithola ngegama lakho yabo awathi nisalindele ukukhokha eminyango mina ngena ngobuso
lalela ubuso bungadecline
yabo face card doesn't yabo ngathi into ezimnandi izinto lezi eziqhamuka no kodwa futhi zilethwa ukuthi ususebenze kanzima vele so kumnandi uyiswa kuphi umubhuku eThekwini you gotta fly me bro
flying now ngisahambi ngize kube muncibunu uhlele eTaxini orebhasi
khona lezi zinto eziqhamuka nayo hustle le mase iqali inyuka ngasho ukuthi kumnandi lokho
I like that and then now if you were to uhambe uye kuwandile yoxolisa kuyena just one thing not to Navy kid what would you say to him
ngicabanga ukuthi yini nje engimenze yona wandile I'm only thinking of one thing ukuthi obvious mase khona uNavy owandile ubalanga phansi xolisela ukuthi hard boy uthi uNavy yak overshadow but comes with the work boy nawe mungale emakhaya la oba khona uwandile but I hope you understand ukuthi nawe uzothokoza mose uNavy meseletha lama fruits
and then ku Navy kid yini into ongafuna ukuxolisela yona sofa kule journey yakho
to Navy I think wandile yamenzela ukuthi Navy it's just a humble boy nje ithulele wandile
yini into ofisa ingathi ungakhunjulwa ngayo if uNkulunkulu yakukhumbula kusasa
umsebenzi wami my heart bona ngithemba ukuthi abantu bayabona ukuthi hayi ube nenhliziyo enhle shame I was a good boy I'm not perfect but ngizamile ukuphila nabantu
and then I'm a project this ufuna ukuthi siwathi on the look right now that you're working on
as a engineer maningi I'm working with Staff Series Nation. As a team, we are working on the album Olified Cater. I'm working with album Black Africa. I'm working kumsebenzi wami futhi kuningi lapha kunye ngizokhohlwa. Yeah. And then as an artist futhi singile oba bengishile years at 10 April kuza ne mixtape and then I'm gonna release futhi July on my birthday. I usually do that nje ukuthi
when as gift
for me ngithi hayi ngoba ngene ngigift ngalutho ngicela ukunigifta mina.
Kusiyami sizolithola ikheke manje ngoJuly.
Hayi ngigifta ngengoma mina. Nina sengeza ngokunye. Kukhona ngedwa.
Yeah, iqedile. So we just have to be on the loop of those things, but uyahlala uposta vele update about everything and everything.
Follow last year now bekuhle ngisebenzile kwi-album enomndayi. Uyaphusha nawo nomndayi kanzima kabi sebenzile futhi last year me as an artist angikhiphanga lutho.
Okay, because you had so much to do behind the scenes.
But I was there on features engomeni zo MTPs omZP and also we production or engineering side yalo. Yeah, so last year I was big on that nje. Angikhulisile kakhulu lapho. Yeah.
Siyabonga. Do you think ikhona into esingayikhavanga right now?
I think it's a baby nice idea on every kid now.
But if there will be changes, most this is home. You can always come.
Yeah. Nempilo mayilokhu iqhubeka futhi no achievements ngiyabuya futhi ngizoxoxa ngithi Wesley tshela phela.
Lokhu noma
sekwenzeke okunye
ngizokushaya
lapho ke ngoba mhlambe sengifuna noma nespace esiningi separking yabo gang yami siphula lapha yonke with webs
parking le yonke le parking nje khululeka. I love this, man. I love this. And then what is your word of the day?
Ngaze ngayithi ngiyophuza word of the day hlezi ngiscrolla ngithi
uyiscrollile
ngihlezi ngiwabuka nje.
Okay, yes.
I never thought it would come.
Yes, of course. Very important.
It's very simple, man. Just live life, be yourself, stay positive all the time. But umuntu ophansi akawi. So yeah.
Umuntu ophansi akawi because they already down.
Yeah.
Oh. Yabo, you just gave me a bulb right now. You just gave me a bulb, man. Guys, so uthi we should stay positive and humble. Loba pansi, it's being humble.
Stay humble all the time. Yabona kuba humble ukuvulela iminyaka eminingi. Because ngisho kuthiwa and futhi ego ingabi la ekhanda.
Yeah.
Like abantu abanandaba nokubantswempu wakho baningi abantu abantswempu la abantu bafuna ukuthi nje mfethu behambuli ubahloniphe abanye abantu ngathi ngena la endlini ngifika senicikekile unevi unevi uyazazi phela mina ngisebenza phela nobani angitsheli yabo just stay humble, man.
Like that umuntu ophansi I like that. I think I'm gonna say that a lot now. I think I'm gonna say that a lot.
And drink more water. Yeah, I say like me, drink water.
I'll put it on. Okay, I'm sick of love. What would you say or define love? How would you define love? What is love according to you?
Love is a very dangerous thing. It's a drug, a very dangerous drug because you get hooked.
Okay.
Once you hooked, kunzima nokuphuma me, but I'm still a firm believer of love, yabo.
Yeah.
Nje angazi ngoba ni swela kudala nje mangijola nje I'm always looking for growth, yabo.
Yeah.
I want someone I can grow with.
Yeah.
Ngikhule naye sakumndeni yabo kube mnandi. But ke uba ngithi uthando lwe-drug. Ngoba uthola umuntu ube hooked kumuntu and hooked uthola i-drug wrong. That's when you get to lose yourself. It's you sasibona abantu abaningi losing themselves in the name of love.
Yeah.
But I still believe in love. But love is a drug. Mangathiwa ngiyalidefine, a dangerous one. Especially if you get hooked.
Especially if you get hooked.
Hooked with the wrong supply.
That's the problem. I like that. What would you want to say to your majitas?
Majita. Nganyiwe siqhubeke sesipana indlela sesipana ngayo saya kude not just amajita me, shout out to my family too. Shout out to Elewami, my twin sister, holding it down. Shout out to my kid, Ukwezi. Yeah.
My daughter is crazy.
Serious?
Yeah.
Yeah. My morning star. Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Yena. Yeah. Shout out kuwonke umuntu ongaziyo obukela kumina. Ngangifakeli pressure kungabukeli kumina. Just do your thing, man.
Azokhoba angakubuki aze you don't want them to stay, you want them to look, not to stay.
Yeah, just look Jeb.
Like that. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bro. I'm rooting for you. I'm excited. I love what I see. I love what I hear.
Yeah.
Please keep on inspiring us because kwathina ngisho nathi sisaziqalela sizofunda kuwena how to balance ama sound and all that. Please sicela usivulele iminyango sizofunda nathi.
Nje nami to add on that ngiyajabula ukuthi ubizile lana, came through with the gang. I see ukuthi uyimisele kakhulu. I want to see this grow also. Makhona nami la ngafaka khona isandla. Ungawari. My doors are open. Sikhulisane sonke. Sikhuphulane sonke. This is nice.
Sesiyalaphana nje siyolanda ama-awards silandelane.
Lokhu kusukuma team eyodwa. Lokusukunye kulela tafula.
Bathathe into labo. Laba bahambi bodwa bathwele la.
Yabo.
Like
so nje yeah, mina umuntu ohlezi, like I'm always open for new ideas. I feel like there's always space for improvement or room for improvement. So angitshela ukuthi sengireach ceiling yabo.
Yes.
So even me helping out kwenye indawo, maybe now I'm doing a podcast, there's growth for me yabo. So I don't limit myself.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that. Guys, cela nihambeni niyobheka uNavy Kid. Ayise uNavy Kid. uNavy Kid ihlangene kuwo wonke ama digital platforms, social media. Please go follow, share, like. So is my podcast right now.
Ngikhokhela nama DSTV, sorry, so basikhona lapha ku TV. Siyavela nama music video amasha amaningi ayeza. Ngikhokhela nama DSTV guys.
Yeah, ama DSTV guys, ama DSTV nabo ke balokho basifuna ama license into engapheli, but DSTV mawungenayo uboleke nekamakhelwane usebenzise yona, yabo into ezinjalo nje, ni share nama logins guys. Please.
And to my exes, umungikhumbule ubukela television, I'm on a mission baby.
Cela ungivalele. Bengisacela ungivalele yona.
Okay. The kid. Naku ngifambule intro yami. But bekumele ngifambule because this is the outro. Bafethu Unscramble Life with Uslee. Stay tuned.
Siyabonga guys, siyanthanda kakhulu and we out.
Kisses.